Your time right now, Memorial Day, just a week from Monday. So this will be the last weekend to maybe run any errands before an estimated 45 million people hit the road for the long weekend.
You and all your friends, right? So if you're one of them, you'll want to make sure your car is in tip-top shape. Simone is live at High Tech Car Care in Phoenix with some advice. Are you a car girl, Simone?
No, you know what, Scott, when I saw this on the planner, I was like, they're going to send me about the car care. I just called my dad and I'm like, Dad, can you help me? But we're making it really easy for you. We've got Jim. He's going to help me and help you. And there are certain things we can do that makes this process really easy and stress-free.
Yeah, before you go on a trip, if your car's already telling you you have a problem, check engine lights on, air conditioning's not cold, the car doesn't start right away, hey, you probably want to get it to a shop. But even if there are no symptoms, you might want to bring it in, have us check all the fluids, tire pressures, make sure that you're ready to go on the road.
Yeah, especially if you're going to be driving somewhere that's 2, 3, 4 hours in the car, even more.
Correct. And a 3-hour drive isn't bad, but a 3-hour drive with an accident in front of you, what makes it 6 hours, that can be a miserable day.
Okay, so my photojournalist Kyle is going to go over to this table where you've prepared an amazing bag for us. And this is your wife's bag, huh?
Yeah, that's her go bag. That's what we keep in the car when we're going on a trip. We have gloves, rags, we have a blanket and a tarp because the road's going to be hot if you have to get down on it for anything. It's always good to have an umbrella. You got to bring your own shade. There are things like this jumper battery. These are getting so cool anymore. Not only can it jumpstart your car, but it can also charge your phone.
Oh, that's awesome.
These are great, but what I've found is that they've been out for a few years and some people bought one and put it in their car. And they think it's going to work 2 years later. No, you got to take it out every now and then and exercise it. Use it. Use it to charge your phone, something, drain it, charge it back up. They'll last a long time, but not just sitting in a glove box.
Okay. What else? I know we talked about the air filter. Guys, look at this. You might think that this is clean, but look at the back. That's nasty.
Right. The air comes in one side and out the other. And most of the time when you look at an air filter in a car, you're looking at the side that the clean air is going through. So you got to pull it out and look at both sides.
Okay. And honestly, I found this really interesting. Snacks, water, electrolytes, because like you said, something happens and you're stuck on the road. You need to have something.
Right. Not just for the car, but also for you.
Yeah, that's great advice. How did you learn all this, Jim?
I'm a third-generation native, so I grew up in the heat, and I know that, the sun in the sky, if it can see you, you're probably not in the right place.
Yeah,
get in the shade. Find somewhere cool.
Totally. Somebody like me who's a little bit newer to Phoenix, it's good advice. Anything else you want our viewers to know before they hit the road?
Well, the key thing is your battery. I mean, batteries are designed for cold weather climates. They're not really made for Arizona. 2 to 3 years out of a battery here is fine, and that's just because the way they've designed it, they're not good for the heat.
Okay. Where can people go to make an appointment here?
Oh, here you can call 602-224-0941. It's hightechcarcare.com. Also, there are shops across the state, or there, at least the city. It's narpro.com. You can find one close and convenient to you.
Thank you so much, Jim. I appreciate it.
My pleasure.
Now this is my newfound outlook on life. I don't have to call my dad. I can do it all, or I can just call Jim, honestly. So I'm going to call you, Jim.